तुमी IIT जाले, मुंबय आशिल्ले, L&T सारके व्हडले कंपनी, तुमी गोंयान कित्याक आयले?
पयलीं म्हणजे हांगा येवन म्हाका एक नॉस्टॅल्जीक फिलींग आतां जाली सद्या, की हांगा आमी जवळ जवळ आतां 50 वर्सां जालीं. 50 वर्सां पयलीं हांगा काम केलां आनी आमी EDC म्हणजे इकनॉमीक डेव्हलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ गोवा, तेन्ना गोवा दमण दीव आशिल्लें, ही कंपनी आमी स्थापीत केली. कित्याक आमकां अशें दिसलें की आमी कितें तर हेल्प केलो इनिशियल इयर्स जाल्यार गोंयान आमकां एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट करपाक खूब इजी जातलें, फॅसिलिटेट जातलें. 7 of us came from various IITs and some from IIM, including IIM Ahmedabad, and we actually incorporated a company called EDC in Goa. And then we started quite a few enterprises. We were also trained at ICICI. Some of us have worked with KV Kamath as well. And what I wanted to share with you is even before ICICI started leasing, in EDC we had started leasing for some of our ventures. For example, in Madgav, Govindpai Oxygen म्हणून आसा, आनी तांचे ते सिलिंडर्स आसताले, ताका 100% depreciation. So we would avail that depreciation, reduce our taxes, and then give a product at a very competitive price compared to a bank. Actually, this our induction in EDC was actually facilitated by late Chief Minister of Goa, Shashikala Kakodkar, and in fact, her son Yatin, who was also who also was a chairman of Goa region for CII, asked me in her towards her later years to write a kind of a write-up. I think it was published in Gomantak. It was one full-page write-up why we do not have regrets for coming to Goa. And the atmosphere was very congenial. Luckily, on the board of directors, we have people. Ramesh Chogle was our vice chairman. And he was like a friend more than anything. Like we used to stay in the same hotel, West End. He lived in a very he was not a displayer of wealth, so we used to stay at West End. And the initial companies we started were Automobile Corporation of Goa Limited. Hatun Mr. Talavlikar was the managing director, and tenna chairman ashillo Sumant Mulgaonkar. He also had links to Goa. So it was very easy to put up that plant. आमी आनी अशे प्लांट घाले, गोवा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स म्हणून घाले, आनी एक मागीर गोवा टेलिकम्युनिकेशन्स म्हणून घाले, जो आमी मागीर भारती मित्तलाक विकलो. आनी हांगाच्यान आमचोच EDCचोच एक वन ऑफ माय कलीग जॉयन दॅम. सो आनी जिनो फार्मास्युटिकल्स म्हणून घाले, आनी ही कंपनी आमी मागीर दिलीप साळगांवकाराक विकली. See, it is what I want to share with you is the kind of particularly for a person with just a year or 2 year experience, there is so much you can learn. Instead of just criticizing government, criticizing agencies, if we think that we can do something, then there is an ample opportunity to do it even today in Goa.